Hi, my name is Tom Lowney, retired gunner's mate, U.S. Navy, now volunteer on Battleship Massachusetts. Welcome back to Preserving the Fleet. I'd like to let you in on a few things that are going on. We're having many projects going on, but one of the good projects that came up was that we have a compressor that was donated to us to help keep the ship working to preserve needle gun, grind. Compressed air compressor is really important. We can't use the ship's original equipment, so we have to rely on new up-to-date equipment as well to help speed up the process of preserving the ship. And in that regards, we had a gift donated to us from a company out in Taunton, Mass. That's CBM Industries. Jim and Chris Vaglis donated a 200-pound PSI compressor from their industries that no longer was used to help update our systems. And with that great gift that they gave us, we're going to be able now to set up a inline system so we can start working on the outside of the ship and bring it back up to good power with compressed air as well as other systems on board the ship that really will need it. And maybe in time we can even get the ship's whistle working on compressed air again. But that's another project in the future. So we're going to take a look inside, take a look at the compressor, and just show you what kind of things that we do here for preserving the fleet.
Letting it down and actually cleared it. yesterday where like the orientation we go in, gotta make sure.
We're good.
I know, I just thought of that and made my
Oh no, I knew that.
Okay, Mike, you ready?
I'm starting to come up.
Okay. We're in anyway. There.
Oh.
Okay, we're pretty close to there.
All right. The compressor you're seeing here is what was donated by CBM Industries. This is going to be providing us the work power we need for the restoration of the outside of the ship as well as other parts inside the ship. But very key, something simple like this goes a long ways. Donations like this for equipment no longer needed by other companies can come in handy. We've been looking for items all along our career here at Battleship Cove to help enhance and repair the ship. A fork truck. We have a paint shaker that was donated for us. So it was a great opportunity to help out the ship. And if you want to look into helping us more and keep this ship running good, like, share, subscribe to our websites, Facebook. Let us know what you think. And if you have anything, we're always looking for help in all kinds of ways. Money, volunteers, equipment. We're even looking for a fork truck for moving stuff around the pier that we get in now and then. If you know anybody, let us know. Just a thought. But seriously, in all, museums like this survive on donations because getting emissions in helps, but to keep it alive and thriving, donations of equipment, historical items, information, tour guides coming in, donating their time, and volunteers doing the maintenance work. It's all part of what we do here in preserving the fleet, keeping us going. These ships are yours. Help us preserve your history, part of American history. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.